That was a good one. Sophia came with her mom today. She got to get out of school because she's going to get adjusted, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and we were just talking about your feet, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I saw you do the balance with your shoes on. Let's see how you do it with barefoot, because
Okay.
I think you did pretty good with no shoes on. But let's see how this goes here. So you're gonna just hold on to me first until you find your. Okay, good, good, perfect. So yeah, you want to kind of tuck your butt under just a little bit. Yeah. Good. I'm gonna let go of your arm. There you go.
It was like surfing.
There we go. Look at you. You think you could do it 1 foot? You want to try it? Look at you're not even paying attention and you're doing great. See, that's the thing is sometimes we just gotta relax into it. Yeah, good. You're doing great. All right, hop down. So one of the things we were looking at was your feet, right? They don't bother you, obviously, right? Because you're running and jumping and doing taekwondo and all that. So she's obviously not been through a lot, but so you tend to have less of an arch than some people, and then maybe more of a compensation here. Are you ticklish?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought that's why you were squirming. So I think what I would recommend is I want to see how the rest of her looks and how it's moving, and then what I would recommend. But again, like barefoot on the beach is fabulous for everybody's feet. And what kind of shoes you wear. I mean, I know we gotta look cool, but it also has to be what helps you work the best, right?
Comfortable.
Your shoes are comfortable. Show off. Okay, let me see you. I'm gonna look at your back here. Can you face your mama? I'm gonna take a look right at your back. I'm gonna lift this up just so I can see your back real. Go ahead. You said it was mostly your neck, right?
Yeah.
And you're used to getting your neck cracked?
Yeah.
So
And my shoulder and my back.
you want everything cracked?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Are you trying to crack it yourself? Or
Yeah.
Are you showing me how? Can you do a back bend?
Yeah.
You can?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. How about you? Do you get headaches?
No,
No.
not that much.
Okay. Yeah, I got a little bit there, yeah? So let's see what we can do with you, okay? Let's play a game. When was your last time you got cracked? Do you remember?
Summer.
Okay, so I just want to face me. We're going to play a game. I'm going to just see how strong you are, okay? So march in place. March, 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 and stop. Good? So that's kind of more how you normally are going to stand. You just fix your feet. You're going to hold your arm up here, okay? Don't let me push that down. Hold that up strong. Does it seem like I'm being mean? Now turn your right toes out. Turn your right toes like
Oh.
that. Good. Okay, now face me. Now try that. Hold that up strong. Does that feel easier?
Yeah.
Then if your toes are straight. Toes straight. Hold that up. Whoop. Now do your left toes out. Let's see. What do you think is going to happen?
Can go down more.
Mm-hmm. See, so smart. I love kids. You're so smart. Yes, because right now your right leg is acting like it's a little shorter than your left side. And I can just see that. So if you move it out, that makes that leg longer and it helps you, right? Helps your electricity work. But I want you to have good electricity when you're standing straight. Yeah? What do you think? Is that what you want?
Yeah.
And you want me to crack your neck and your
Yeah.
back and your shoulder?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, go on your tummy. Actually, lie down. I'm gonna quick. I know it's your mom's face. You good?
Yeah.
Okay, lie down. All right, let me see. I'm gonna grab. Your nails look so pretty. Did you do them? I don't get to do that. I only have boys.
So what do you think about kids getting like adjusted, just like on a regular not maybe preventative, like even if nothing's bothering them or
Yeah.
something like that?
Yeah, because I think what the most important thing I affect is the nervous system, right? So, and what the nervous system runs is everything. So what we want to make sure is that nothing that they're doing in their development is going to set them up for cumulative injuries or problems down the road. So obviously, after any fall or off the bike or walking or waking up sore, they're so like loose that they'll shake most of that off. So it's rare if I have a child that's complaining of headaches or pain at all, I know we've got to start over at the beginning. But even if they're not, I'm going to make sure that everything's balanced and getting what they need. You agree with that, right? Right. So yes, I think that, and they don't need as much because if you get them here, there's a lot less going on, and it'll last longer.
Than getting.
Yes.
Once
So
there's issues.
yeah. So I say a lot of my kids are seasonal, so like every couple months. If they're in sports, more often. Like I have swimmers that need to come every couple weeks or once a month. Just depends on how hard and how much they're doing. Baseball is tough. Football is tough. All of youth sports is tough now because they do so much more than we used to do. Some good kunks there. So this little pokey thing, that's an activator.
Now, on the way over here, Sophia and I were talking about my my brother always tells her like not to crack her knuckles and that it's bad for you and all of that stuff.
Breathe in. Breathe in and out. Should they crack their knuckles?
What's your thoughts?
I mean, I know some people that can crack everything. Breathe in and out. So I would say if they're going to crack their hands, okay, but crucial areas like the neck and the lower back, I would find something else to do.
I do both of them.
I know. Breathe in and out. And some of it's habit and it just depends. How's that feel?
Good.
Does that feel good? Okay. You're doing great. This is easy. So if my kid does this, like immediately no. Immediately no. Or the whole twist in the back. And because I think most of the time when you're doing this, what you're cracking is things that are already moving too much because you're not going to be able to locate the one that's not moving enough. I know. I'm still paying attention. Breathe in. And all the way out. Okay, good. Let that drop. Let it drop. Good. Let's check one more side. Good. Good. This side, the right side was tighter, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Now lie on this side. Or that side. You're doing great. Okay, scooch closer to me. Then this. Straighten. How old's your brother? You have a brother?
Yeah.
How old is he?
He's 10.
Who wins? Do you win or does he win?
What?
What do you guys fight?
Yeah.
Who
He always wins.
He always wins. Do you cry?
Yeah.
Come out?
Yeah.
Yeah? Go the other way. Who does mom yell at then?
Probably both of us.
Oh, okay. Probably. She's a smart mom.
When it starts.
Me.
Good.
Sometimes I
On your back. On your back. Yep. Now we're going to crack your neck. You like this part? Let's see what happens. Sorry. It's this thing. There. Good. Uncross your feet. Cross your feet. Is that good? You're being awful quiet. Is good? Is that a good smile? You like that part?
Mm-hmm.
Big breath. And out. That was a good one. All right, let's check these toesies, yeah? Hold on to the table. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. Good. We got a big clunk when you were laying on your tummy. Yeah, really good. And that's that side you were a little bit concerned about. But I think if she's just barefoot a little bit more and watches what kind of shoes she wears, I think she looks strong and healthy, athletic. So, but that, you want to make sure all of the muscles in the feet, especially between the first and second ones, is strong.
Okay.
So those exercises on your toes, she doesn't need to put that thing on just to kind of do stuff like that. Just play around, right? Like that's how kids, I think, do best is, they're kind of always moving their bodies and then figure it out intuitively. So let's stand up. I want to see how strong you are now. Here, let me put this on you. Okay. So now, same place. We got to do everything the same. Okay, march in place. And stop. Good. Feet together. Now, who do you think is going to win?
Huh?
Who do you think is going to win?
Me.
You think so? Okay.
Yes.
Hold that up strong. That feels a little bit better. I think I need to get you stronger. Sit here and face your mama. Let's check some other stuff on you. Hand on your hip. Good. And you're going to push your elbow back into me. Push, 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 push. Good. Go the other one. Okay, now we're going to do one. I'm going to put you on my back. So I'm going to have you scooch back. Put your hands on your head. I'm going to lift you up. Yeah. Put your hands on your head like that. Good. And you're going to feel me reach around. I'm going to put you on my back, okay? And then walk. We're going to walk around. That okay?
Yes.
Okay, big breath in. And all the way out. And then let it go. Oh, you let go. Okay, stand up. Let's check you again. Stand here. Good, feet together. Let's see. Hold your arm strong, nice and strong there. Hold that up. Now that feels a lot better, yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Okay.
Anything else I need to check?
I don't know.
Did I get it all?
Yeah.
You tell me if you think
I
there's
wanna
something
do
else
the-
I missed.
Balance thing again.
You want to try the balance thing? Let's check it and see how you do after. Come on over. Yeah, I'm not even going to help you. You got it. You got it. Good. Okay, now I want you to kind of, yep, you're good. You're good. Just try to, you're going to try to stand. Pretend like you're Supergirl, Wonder Woman. Look at you.
Watch out.
Really good. Does that feel easier now?
Yeah.
Does it?
Yeah.
What makes it feel easier?
I don't know.
It just feels easier. Good. Perfect. See? That looks easy. You're doing great. So you do Taekwondo?
Yeah.
For what else do you do? Do you play on the playground? Do monkey bars?
I don't know how to do monkey bars.
What?
I did gymnastics.
Okay, so you know some of that stuff.
Yeah.
Good. Well, I think that's all good stuff for you to do when you're playing in the grass, messing around at the beach. You just play around, okay?
Okay.
You're doing good.
We were talking earlier about how she had this summer since the summer she's had ringworms, all those bug bites, and
Bug
what else,
bite.
Sophia?
That's it.
And I'm like, oh, it's just you're exposed to life,
Yes,
being outdoors.
100%.
Mommy, look,
Yeah,
look,
yeah.
look. Wait.
I think you should try 1 foot. So when you
Okay.
do 1 foot, you're gonna just step off, or put one. Yep, right. Well, you were right. 1 foot right in the middle. You're so smart.
Oh.
Okay. So yeah. So first start this way. Yeah, good. You got it.
Oh.
So connect your belly. Yes. Yes. You can even touch your belly. Oh, so smart. Look at you. There you go. Look at you.
I'm better than you.
You did good. Give me a high five. Okay. So what do we want to tell the people? We want to tell them to do what?
Come here.
Like and subscribe.
And like and subscribe. Bye.